if you have less than 1,500 Ghana cedis, I mean if you have 800 Ghana cedis, 600, 500 Ghana cedis, I want to show you a particular business that you can do. And trust me, if you're gonna find the best location, arrange this or display this thing that I'm gonna tell you, you can take your business to the next level. Trust me. All right, have you ever walked on the streets and see people selling such things like picture frame with artwork? Never give up. Have you seen these things before? Yeah, you're gonna ask me, how can you come out with this and sell it to people? You don't have to be good at graphic design. You don't have to create all these things. I'm gonna tell you how you can use the little money that you are having to start this business and succeed in Ghana. I'm gonna put this one aside, then we're gonna continue with the video. Now, first thing first, I want you to check inside your room. If you see any artwork, or if you see people buying artworks, decorating their rooms, who is doing this thing for them? Like, who is making that money? A lot of people want artworks, and I'm going to show you where you can get these pictures, where you can order the frames, or where you can buy those frames, how to print them, and where to display them so that people will buy these frameworks. All right, now the first thing I'm going to tell you is where to get these pictures. All right, so these pictures, or the picture here, wasn't designed by the person who sold this thing to me. So if you want to get these pictures, you can visit website like leonardo.ai. As you can see, there's a lot of pictures here. All you have to do is to hit on the download and download this onto your PC. Or you can also visit pixel.com or Pixabay. There's a lot of image website that you can download for free. So what you have to do is to visit this website, download those catchy, nice looking images. Then next thing you have to consider is the frame. Okay, where you can get this frame. You can visit alibaba.com, amazon.com, Gigi, Jumia, then order this frame. Okay, so when you order this frame or you buy this frame with the little money that you are having, the next thing that you can do is to go and print this. Okay, so when you look at the back, you can remove these things, then you fix the image inside. Okay, and you get something like a rope. Just display this where a lot of people are passing, and trust me, if you find the best location, people will be patronizing your products. And as time goes on, you can buy your own printer, import more frames, and even expand your business. People are making money through this side hustle. I will not say side hustle, this is a full business. Okay, this is a full business. I can show you a lot. So you can see this is simple to do. Order the frame, visit any of the websites that I've mentioned, download it and print it out, sell it to people. I bought this 80 Ghana cedis, but if I show you where you can order the frame, if you order a lot of frames, you're going to save a lot of money. This person had made a lot of interest looking at the price of the frame after making my research and how much it costs to print this thing. This person had made a lot of interest from me. So you can also start with a little money. Just display this on the roadside, wherever that you are, where people are concentrated, marketplaces, and you will be making a lot of money. You can start this. It's the same thing here. If somebody want to play Ludo, they will buy this thing from you. So people are making money. If you're a carpenter and you can design this yourself, just start. Hang them and you will see the crazy interest that you'll be making from this simple side hustle. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to show you the business that you can start with the little money that you are having. Okay, super simple. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I want to know where you are watching me from, so leave a comment. If you are watching me from Accra, Nigeria, Kenya, anywhere that you are watching me from, please let me know. I will be happy to know where you are watching this video from. But how can you come out with a business idea? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, hand to head, salute.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when